Hey guys, Dr. Cuthbertson here at Physio Fit. Do you ever see a candid photo of yourself and you look like this? I've got several exercises to help you fix your posture and stand up straight again. Some of the keys to correcting your posture include improving the relationship between the thoracic spine, that's the spine where all the ribs connect to, and the pelvis. Go ahead and grab the foam roller and I'm going to teach you how to do that. Lay down on your foam roller lengthwise with your spine, parallel to it. And we're going to go through a sequence of exercises that will help to improve the relationship. First of all, you want your feet flat on the floor beneath, and your head needs to be on the foam roller as well. We're going to start at the pelvis, and you're going to flatten out your spine on the foam roller by tilting your pelvis backwards. Go ahead and do that. You can go back and forth just a little bit, do a pelvic tilt, but ultimately you want to end up in that pelvic tilt position with your spine flat on the roller. From there, you'll place your hands on your abdomen to get your body used to that position. And you're just going to breathe in and out several times through your nose, breathing into your hands. We're going to engage the diaphragm with some nasal and diaphragm breathing. Do that for 1 to 2 minutes, trying to breathe in and out through your nose. 5 to 6 seconds in, 5 to 6 seconds out is the most optimal breathing pattern. Work your way up to that as you can. From there, you're going to next focus on trying to flatten out your neck on the surface of the roller. In this position, you likely won't be able to get your neck flattened out. If you have a pillow nearby, you can place a pillow underneath your neck, and that can help you to have a cue with pressure pushing into your neck from the pillow. But my pelvis is tilted, my neck is flattened out, hands together on my abdomen, and just try to let your shoulders fall over the roller toward the ground. Hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes. And then we'll progress to the next exercise. From here, next you're going to bring your arms up to the side. And you're going to try to let your hands drop down below your elbows, or at least level with them. And just let things ease into this position over a period of time, 30 seconds to a minute. And then we're going to start to rotate our shoulders and arms toward the floor, kind of like unrolling a scroll. Just turning the arms out with the little fingers, the pinkies going toward the floor. As you're in this position, one other thing that you can do to loosen up some of the tension in the muscles around the shoulders, in the shoulder blade area, is roll over the shoulder blades to relax and decrease the tension in those muscles. Do that 10 to 15 times each side. And that should also help you to open up your shoulders a little bit more. So from there, after you've done that, we're going to continue to open up the shoulders by rotating the arms toward the floor and starting to squeeze the muscles between the shoulder blades, those rhomboid muscles. Squeezing the shoulder blades together Making sure to keep the back flat. And as you've done that, as you squeeze the shoulder blades together, you then want to start to take your elbows toward your side, pulling them toward your body. As you do this exercise, you'll not only feel the muscles between the shoulder blades engage a little bit better, you'll also feel a lengthening out of the muscles in the front of the shoulders. They'll just start to melt away. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute. And then a further progression from there is that you bring the elbows down to the side and then bring them back up a little bit. Bring them down, engage the muscles, and then slowly come out of that. Bring them down and slowly come out of that. Doing that 20 to 30 times. That will allow you to open up those shoulders a little bit more, to start to move the shoulder blades around the rib cage, so that when you do stand up, you don't have those rounded shoulders pulling you forward and weighing you down. So just to review, we start at the pelvis, tilt back and forth, work on some diaphragm breathing, loosen up the shoulder blade muscles and the muscles around the spine, start to engage the muscles between the shoulder blades. That will also help to lengthen out the muscles in the front of your shoulders, those pectoralis muscles in particular. If you do these exercises regularly, your posture will naturally become more upright. Try these out for a few weeks and let us know they work for you. And remember, your potential is within reach.